everyone, welcome to TechOrbit channel. So in this session I am going to start my next topic of the Excel series. So till yet I teach you I think many topics I teach you from basics. So the next topic is going to be like this, it will be conditional formatting. The next topic is a conditional formatting I will teach you. So just take pen and copy and make notes with me, so it will be good for your practice. Like, you all are thinking like, okay, this is Excel, very simple, but that also I know, like, okay, this is the simple things, but this is the basic thing. If you don't know the basics, so you cannot good in the next phase of your data analytics. Okay, so I know Excel is a basic things for a data analysis, but it is also good that you are trying to learn. Okay, so the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, what is this? So basically this is a something like it's already within our Excel. Means we can say this is a predefined rule. Okay, this is a predefined rule in Excel, so we can use that for a conditional. Conditional means, suppose you have one column. On that column you are applying some conditions, and on that they are doing some formatting, they are applying color in that cells, like that. Formatting means what? Means there something, the format they are changing. Okay, so first we will understood like what is the use of that conditional formatting. So first thing is it is highlight data based on the specific condition. It is highlight the data based on the specific condition. Okay, second use is it is for a visualization. It is for a visualization, it is very helpful for a visualization also. Third thing is this is error spotting. Means if any error is coming, that's also it will be highlight. Okay, then fourth is it is creating visually appealing and report and or dashboard. Okay, means anything, any visualization. Okay, it's creating that, and it is helpful for dashboard also. When we are doing analysis dashboard, then it is also helpful. This conditional formatting is good for the analysis basically. So that is the use of the conditional formatting. Now I will show you where is the conditional formatting. So there is a step we have to follow for conditional formatting. So open your Excel sheet, or you can note the that steps how we can reach to that conditional formatting. So first go on. First, uh, suppose this is okay, this is the age. So first select the range. We select the range. Then after select the range, go on that home tab. In home tab, after tab, there will be a one conditional formatting. See, this is the conditional form. Just click on here the conditional form. There is a lots of thing. Okay, so suppose this is, so in this, what is this? Greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate value. Then this top and bottom, top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 item, bottom 10%, above average, below average. Then data bars like this. Okay, see, it's automatically, you can see in that age column, whatever the highest value, that bar is full of color, and what is the lowest value, that bar color is a less. Okay, you can see this is a green color, this is a red color, this is a color scale. You can see that highest is with a green color, the lowest is with that dark pink color. Okay, so like that. This you can see, means highest with green arrow is going up, lowest with lowest means it's going down. So like that, there is a lots of formatting. Now how we can apply the condition? Suppose this is a greater than, you just click here and you just write here. What you can write, just write like whatever the age greater than 46 or 40, whatever the age which is greater than 40, fill that color with green and click OK. So now you can see here that age column, whatever that age is greater than 40, it's filled with a green color. You can see here it's filled with a green color. Okay, now suppose select this and come here and click here top 10 items. It's saying like top 10 items. Okay, we can say 3. Okay, we can say 3. So format that cell that rank in the top. So we want this in a green color, top 10 item. So top 10 item means which is the top, it's coming like the highest one is 46, after that which one is a 60, then after that is a 48. Means whatever the top 8, top 3, that fill with the green. So that is a basically we are doing a formatting, but with condition. We are applying some condition, then we are doing formatting. Okay, so that all the things what I am trying to explain. So Okay, so I will share this sheet with you in last session. Okay, so be practice with that also. Till yet you just understood what I'm trying and note down that all the steps. Okay, so that is a formatting. There is a lots of type of formatting. When we are doing analysis, that formatting will help us. Okay, suppose you are doing formatting with A, you just do this and do formatting. Okay, now you can just take a snap and you can paste on your analysis also, like this edge. Okay, so now what, now this is a formatting. Okay, new rule, clear rule. Okay, suppose click here. Here also there is a lots of thing, but mostly not in used. Okay, suppose mostly we are using this only. Okay, when if like because we are not that much Excel are using, but we have to learn Excel because this is the basic thing of the analysis. So that's why I'm just telling you about that Excel. So that is the formatting whatever I told you. Okay, now what, now next thing is I am going to teach you the custom rule. Custom rule means whatever that thing now that I teach you that new rule. Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this? What is that custom rule? Okay, so that the next thing in the conditional formatting I am going to teach you the new rule. Okay, what is this and why we are using this? What is the use of this? Custom rule means new rules. Okay, new rules means whatever the already present predefined rule, now here we can create our own rule. Okay, custom rule means we can create own rule. You saw the greatest, lowest, all the thing that is already a predefined, but we can also create our own rule. Okay, how we can create own rule? There is a also same thing. We have to go on a home tab, then conditional formatting, then new rule. So suppose here we came. Okay, so go on that home tab, then after home tab go on the conditional formatting, then click on that new rule. When we came on the new rule, okay, so suppose you saw here format all cell based on their value, format only cells that contain, format only top of the bottom rank to values, format only values that are above or below average, format only unique. Means you can see here that average, that all the things we can create on. Suppose, so for that we have to select the range. We select the range, we came here and we click on that new rule. Suppose format all cell based on their value. Okay, their value, suppose on the value we just click here. Okay, so what it will do, is just take this. Okay, lowest and the highest value. Okay, when you click here you can see lowest value with the dark uh, uh, lowest value with dark and the highest value with light color. Okay, you can see here highest value with this and the lowest. We can change here. No, I want lowest color with this and the highest with this. Okay, when click here, we have to select this, then we have to do this. Okay, just remember you have to, for that conditional formatting you need to select the range. Okay, if you don't select the range it will not apply. So you can see here not now that highest with the dark blue and the light blue, the lowest one. Okay, so that is all the things. Now we can use the formula also. How we can use the formula? You can see here you can see format only unique or duplicate value. Okay, so suppose this is, you just select this, come here, new rule. There's a lots of things. Format only top or bottom rank value, format only values that are above or below average. Okay, suppose this, so you just click on okay. It will not it's not applied. Format only valued, I didn't click on that. Okay, format only valued that are above or below average. Okay, so what it will do, first it will in internal it will find the what is the average of that all the A's, then whatever the above of that average, on that only it will be applied, and for below that average, that off for that. Okay, so it's just here is just formatting. Okay, fill color blue. Okay, okay, so you can see here, that whatever, first I will clear that formatting, then I will show you, so it will be clear. Okay, wait, clear the rule, select it. Okay, now first I will show you the what is the average of this. Okay, so just write the, there's all the formula is pre-built. Okay, so don't need to learn all the formulas, so that is a good thing. You can see the average is a 44.25 of that all the values whatever is present in that cell. So now what I want whatever the is which is above that average and whatever the is which is below that average, just fill with that formatting. Okay, so it will be clear like how many values is above that average and how many values is below that average. So just select this. Okay, just select this and choose one color, which is the green color I chose, and I just is just saying that above. So it will just fill that value which is above that average. It means which whatever the value which is greater than 44.25, it will fill that column. You can see the 48, 60, 46, 67, which is the above of that average, it just fill that cells. Okay, so that is basically other conditional formatting. And you want to clear that rules, you just select this and just come here and just click this, and there clear rule from selected cell, so it will just clear from one cell. Okay, clear rule from entire sheet. Entire sheet means whatever the rule apply in entire sheet, it will remove all that. So selected cell I already so you. So now on that time, on this time I will teach you how we can remove the clear how we can clear the rule from entire sheet. So just click on here, it will clear all the rule from the sheet. Okay, so that is the conditional formatting. Okay, that is the conditional formatting. Okay, now, so whatever the work of your work is, I just teach you that. Okay, and your work is just work on that and practice that all the thing, and work these all. Format only cell that contain. Okay, format only top or bottom ranked value. Okay, for this what format only cell that contain means the between value. Between means from between 20 40. Okay, whatever the value it's coming from between 20 to 40, it's just format that value. Okay, format only top or bottom ranked value, it will just fill that value. Format only value that are above or below average, that I teach, that I show you already. Format only unique or duplicate value. Unique or duplicate value, so you can just select here, I want formatting unique value, I want formatting duplicate value. Okay, use formula for determine which cell to format. You can use the formula here. Formula, which type of formula you can use here. So for formula like you can suppose I will show you this. Wait a minute. Suppose what you can do, you just click here new rule and come here use formula, and I want whatever the value wait, I want so here you can do like format value where is the formula is true. Okay, where is the formula is true. So suppose this is all the values, and if you click here and you will come here and you just click here, and when you applied this and greater than 20, if you choose any format. Okay, if your formula is correct, it will fill that. Okay, so what I applied that formula, if that cell value is greater than something like 20, I think so it that true, so just to fill that value. If that true, if not true, so it will not fill. Suppose again I will, okay, again I will do, suppose this and this and this less than 20. If this is true, so fill that value, fill that cell with pink color. Okay, so you can see it's not filled because that's value that is not true. Okay, that is not true. Okay, so that is all thing. Now you can clear the rule from intercept. Okay, so just practice of all that thing the regarding for formatting, so it will be also helpful in your visualization. Okay, so now formatting done. Now in next lecture what I will teach you, I am just giving a topic. Just found all the things related that topic, and it will be then easy for you understood what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so I will teach you the cell referencing. Next lecture I will teach you the cell referencing. Okay, just search regarding that topic. Okay, so it will be help you to understood what is all about that. Okay, so for this lecture, okay, bye bye, we will meet in